Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? Hope you all good. What I've realized about Big Brother right now, being a HOH, it seems like it's gonna be challenging now from now on. You know, um, after Melly. Why I'm saying this? Thandeka is always like especially after the brief, the task that they have to do. Thandeka will always bringing that vibe, provoking others, want her opinion to be heard. So I see now that it's gonna be challenging. Look now, last night they were, having misunderstanding between her and King Wanda, and now I know King Wanda is that person. I don't think there would be grudges between Thandeka and King Wanda. I mean, King Wanda sees that Thandeka is already going to take the money. She's gonna be a winner, but he's not going to have that grudges that Thandeka this, Thandeka that. I hope that's what I hope, and I believe that by Thursday or after party Saturday, I don't see King Wanda, doing what he usually do in terms of when he's tipsy. Yeah, I don't think he's going to do that toward Thandeka. I mean, he knows Thandeka. Thandeka, he's a character. So um I didn't wanna dwell too much on their misunderstanding. you know so I'm looking forward to see other housemates who are going to be HOH, because now it's gonna be tough. Can you imagine next week, next coming Monday, maybe Liema win or Didi win? Can you imagine the drama again? Because Thandeka, man, she doesn't wanna hear anything, just want her point to be heard. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward on that. But well done to King Wanda to become the first HOH. To me, he did it twice, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we're looking forward what's gonna happen. And last night about the nomination, I was expecting to see the strongest only. That's what I wanted. Only strongest one, the strong ones like Liema, Thandeka, and then Didi, and who? Maybe let's just put Bravo as well there. Maybe Ashe as well. I just wanted to see those one, because those one are strong. And Q, yeah, remove Ashe and Bravo B and Q. I just wanted to see what's gonna happen, because those one are strong one. And then boom, they mixed up. Some they nominated Melly, some they nominated Trixie. I was like, no man, I don't want this one. I want the strongest one. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, obviously to me, I see that the Dawn will be leaving this coming Sunday. It's either the Dawn or Melly, or who's this other mama, the old one, Romina might leave. Yeah, I think she might leave that one as well. So yeah, man, we're looking forward on that. Anyway, let's watch and see what other dramas that they are bringing to us.